Hi guys, my name is Andy Murray. I'd like to welcome you to this channel, Action Media Online. In today's video I'm going to do a demonstration on how to optimize your videos before you even put them up on YouTube. Believe it or not, that is possible. This is the thumbnail of the video you're probably watching right now. I've not optimized that one yet. This is the one that is a thumbnail for my last video. As you can see, that's been optimized. The difference is it's got all the information on there. This is the one I'm going to show you how to optimize. It's pretty straightforward, guys. We'll go into it. So we will pinch that name, copy. We'll go inside it, into your properties, put your details, and see this one's been done. Where your title, your subtitle, you can just click on there, right click and paste. Then that one is optimized. So what I will show you is how to optimize this one. We'll do this one the same way. Okay. Properties. So we go into it, go into details. You go bang, paste. Always give yourself a 5-star rating. Now tags, this one's quite important, guys. You can paste the normal tag that you've got in, which is your title. It should be the title of your video and your descriptions. Also, that's where you'd put all the other tags relating to it. So build roll, try it for $1, build roll trial, etc, etc. All the keywords go in there. Okay. You can put these in where you can. Fill all your details in. When you finish this, you hit apply. Okay. We can go back and have a look. Look at the properties. See if it has saved. It's got a habit of doing that. I don't know if you've seen my videos before, but I had to go back and check. We give it a 5 rating. Okay. We should give this a refresh. Now if we look, still not saved. Oh. So the apply button is there. Okay. So there we go, guys. That's the video now optimized, which will help you in your quest to get the rankings you deserve and desire. This is my account, guys. Action Media Online. As you can see through these how my account has changed. My videos I first put up, quite boring, and didn't know what to do with what I was really doing until you find your edge, which is around this area. 2 or 3 months ago I started doing it consistently, same thumbnails, the ones that stand out right up until today. That was a couple of days ago. There's some affiliate stuff. You can look at these if you like, guys. I've got some great bonuses, good bonus pages with these if you want to have a look at them. That's my latest one yesterday, build roll. Try it for free. Actually, try it for $1. Fantastic system. If you haven't got it, take a look at that after you've had a look at this one. Okay, guys, that's enough from me. I have showed you in this video how to optimize your YouTube video before you even upload it. Once you've uploaded, then YouTube picks up on it and helps you with the rankings on YouTube and Google. Okay, I hope this helps someone, guys. If you liked it, please leave a comment and share, and hit my bell down there for future notifications. This has been Andy Murray saying I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Take care. See you again. Bye bye.